I was immature that time because hindi ko ginabaton.
Kasi pisa mo, yung nga time niya kung maganong, ang saga may bibi daw, bingit ka, di ba?
Siguro ako na miss nga everything takes time with the miss ka. Tapos, hindi ka dapat nga tungod gusto mo na dayon. Kasi ako, I want to win.
Happy Sunday to one and all! Welcome to another episode where talk meets transformation and conversations make a change. This is your host, Jillian Villacuatro, and welcome to the heart of the powerhouse. How are you there? How's your Sunday going? Kay kamusta man ang inyong week? Perhaps your week has been busy, damo ka mo schoolworks, damo ka mo tasks in your respective jobs, damo ganap sa inyong families. Nevertheless, this is the Sunday, ginahulat natin yung maka-storyahanay, kita kag maka-chika-chika, kita kag ma-uplift mo ng ating spirit. Hopefully, on this next episode naman. So meanwhile, before I get there, I'm so very much also honored to be seated with someone who is a very promising speaker, syempre man from the powerhouse. Meet my co-host. I'd like to call her Angel. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, mabuhay. My name is Ninya Marie Leonoras, but you can call me Angel. And I am from the Luminary class from the Professional Development class of the Powerhouse.
Yes. How do you really want to be called?
Angel.
Okay, sige, Angel. And it speaks for how she looks. Very angelic. Angel, welcome to the Heart of the Powerhouse. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm quite busy actually, but I'm very happy and honored to be here.
Yes, I hope you're feeling light, especially on a Sunday. And I know you, being a student leader, being president, what's your position in your school?
I'm the executive president of the Supreme Student Council.
Executive president. Grabe, no? At that young age is already taking that responsibility and leadership. Anyhow, Angel, welcome to the show. And Angel, by the way, is part of the professional development training program, the Luminary class. How's your training going so far for the past week?
Oh, I like the training. I quite enjoy it a lot. It's been very stimulating, very motivating, and honestly, I really like expressing my thoughts and words. And Powerhouse, it's such a comfort place to me. So I really love it here.
Wow, gabi, no? And we're very much thankful that you feel that because syempre, sometimes from a student, bala nga, damo-damo ka brown sa school and then right after that, you don't know kung
Yes.
is there still rest? Maybe pag abot ko na lang sa balay, ko ma-rest. Pero sometimes there are activities in between that could serve man as our breather. And we're also happy that you find Powerhouse as your breather.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angel. So this is another episode of the Heart of the Powerhouse. Another chance nga, maka-empower na naman ta.
Yes.
Oo, maka-uplift na naman ta spirits. And do you know who's our guest today?
A little birdie told me that guwapa-guwapa.
Hoy, todo ako ginamin mo ha. Given.
Given.
Okay, ano pa ginangaton nga klo? Gwapa-gwapa.
Base, sunod si imo miss nga. Beauty queen, very talented, kanaming speak.
Abansi lang sa gamay. We will not prolong your waiting because I know you are as excited as we are. Kami ni Angel, kay magpungko pa lang tali subong, diba? Anong feeling? Do ka, amo ka.
We are in the
Ako nga,
presence.
salbabida. Do ka, do ka ang iyang presence. Lakas makaganda.
Very auraful.
Yes, I love the word auraful. So, hindi tayo pagpadugayon pa. Ladies and gentlemen, our dear viewers out there, we are so feeling beautiful today because kaupod naton, the one and only, the reigning Miss Bacolod Mascara, the beautiful Sophia K. B. Zaragoza. Hello!
Hello everyone!
Hello, Sophia!
Allow me to introduce myself.
Go ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Sophia K. Casa, your rating Miss Bacolod Mascara 2025, and I'm so happy to be here today, Miss Jel and Angel. Thank you so much for inviting me today, Miss.
Well, of course. And the pleasure is ours. We know how busy you are, especially perhaps It's gonna be mascara season
Yes,
soon.
miss.
And as a reigning queen, we are really looking forward to see you everywhere. You know, lahat ng mga kaganapan, for sure, you will be there. You will be complying and standing for your role as
Yes,
the
miss.
queen of our city. Okay, so welcome to the show. This is it. We just need you to cool down.
Yes, miss.
Relax. Machika-chika lang tayo,
Yes,
so.
miss.
Diba? Machika lang tayo, Angel. Are you
Yes.
ready for it?
Syempre, miss. I'm all ears.
Yes. We know na si Sophia, let's get to the, yung hadaan niya, to the very center point of the story. Pero, bago tada, yung matamatunta lang.
Yes.
We know that Sophia now, before she became the Miss Bacolod Mascara, halin sang gamay ka, could you tell us kung sino ni si Sophia Saragosa?
Well, first of all, of course, if some of you don't know, nag-start ko yung Miss mag-pageant since 16-year-old. Pero before anything that, miss, do ka very ambitious ko wala, miss, nga babae. Kay, just like what I always stated, miss, kado ka, I was born in a not very privileged bilang a family, but still grateful ko for every blessings na nagkanto sa akong kabuhi. So, before ko naging beauty queen, dami ko naging work, like naging brand ambassador ko, nagkaroon ako maging makeup artist, and then, ang mga ukay-ukay, mag-try mag-sell through online, like, makita mo na miss sa mga page, yung mga all about girls,
Ada
all about
termi.
girls in Talisay, miss good sell ko na miss mga pre-sell na clothes. Behind that crown, miss, actually, di ba, second time ko yung nag-join Miss
Yes.
Bacolod Mascara. So, ang Sophia nga ina, very ambitiosa, very full of dreams, nga minsan do ka imposible sa ibang mga tao. Ara ba lang din sa gusto ko, i-push gid. Because like, pwede ko gamba si miss nga, wala ko pa na-try, mas mayo na lang miss nga ma-reject ko, kaysa ma-regret ko nga ahay, tamigin try ko, before, bala, at least kung na-reject ka miss, kung may ara ka answer nga, ay hala, siguro, hindi gini para sa ako. Pero if like wala mo na-try, baka, hala, what if din try ko? What if nabatunan ko? What if para matagali sa akon, pero do ka, siguro, wala ko lang i-push akon self sa akong limit. So, ang muna sa Sophia, gid is full of dreams. Gid means nga, go lang gid yan.
Grabe no, though kumanumdum kabala though hindi ni kapoy to take on different roles from at her age. She was only 16 when she started with all what we consider as rackets.
Yes.
Diba? Is it okay if we ask you, why were you doing all these, especially the rackets?
I believe, miss, because I'm privileged family, miss. Pero do ka sometimes, wala miss nga, do ka gusto ko more pangaihatag sa akong sarili. Tapos na-realize ko, miss nga, wala na makahatag more sa akong sarili, kundi ako lang eh. So, ako na miss ko pangita, paagi, and sometimes, uga pa magputi ko nga, Lord, na ado ka budlay sa kabuhi ko, compare sa iban. But then, kaka-realize ko nga siguro, hindi ko become the woman that I am today without every challenges with the miss na face ko sang bata pa ko. So, buong damo, kung minatulaan, miss, ano kong back, gahambag ko nga siguro, if wala ko na fall, wala ko na nga budlay, hindi ni amo ang kabuhi ko subong. Kag, ang perception ko, how I perceive things differently today is maturely. And every time, ang friends ko wala maasa ko niya, hala, ikaw naghahatag balance mo sa sarili, pa-amazing si mo. Kag, gaman ako nga, ang gina-push ko, lagi na akong self, kaya kag, ang lagi na push ko lagi na self ko, kaya, so, it's okay to ask again, because I'm very open about this. So, I came from a broken family, and right now, ang mga dokabod lagi sa kabuhi. That's why, kasi ko mga scholarships, miss, which I'm very proud about, because hindi tanan nga estudyante may privilege nga maka-eskwela. Just like what he stated, bala miss nga, despite education being every children's right, hindi siya everyone's privilege. Kaya mo na iban ga financial struggle. So, miss man ako, miss, ga financially struggle with miss. Ginasulod ko sa akong ulo, miss, nga mas mayo na lang amo ni naga-struggle ko sa akong education. Kesa wala din ko ka-enroll at all or wala din ko ga-eskwela. And amo na, ang sa ako naman family, siguro doon naanad sila balambis nga kaya ko na akong sarili. Sometimes, napagkahawag ako nga, doon naanad, dala na sila nga ako na lang for me. Ako lang buligan niya, pero gahambag si mama sa akon, Sometimes go open up kasi mo ko nakabudlay sa kabuhi. Pero gahambal si mama na sa kon always nga hindi tanan nga tawo or bata pareho simo. And wala ka lang kabalo nga damo bata nga may look up simo nga ang una, miskan, hindi halin kayo sa unprivileged family, imagine, sustain ka para sa mga sarili, kakabakal mo ang mga bagay na gusto mo, which I think means a lot already na for me, na ang una, miskan na nagkakatabo, anak, gita for me si God, nag-guide sa akin, and for me, gahatagin opportunity, miss. That's why, gahambagi ko nga, miskan kami gamay, lang sa blessings, mga judging stints, gambala sa lang mga alipilipay, kagit every time may judging stints ka, kaya ba ko nga, grabe na dako na nakabulig
Yes.
sa phone because may money na ako for this month, mayroon ako balan for next week. So, ang nagambagi ko, ang nakapsyon ko ganit, miss, mag-blessing, I'm so blessed with yan, miss. That's why every time ang mga tao maasa ko, how are you? Mas ka na nagkakatawa mo ko, blessed ng gid ko ya, thank you, gid ya, because everything happens for a reason with the miss, and I'm a firm believer about that.
I could relate to that kay ang iya nga gina-share bala nga maka-income kasubong and then the following week makapanumdum ka may balon ka. Syempre having grown in a pageant community nga amo man ang nagpaskwela sa imo, nagbulig sa pag-imo gid nga from the miscellaneous because I don't pay my tuition anymore being a scholar. So dako gid siya nga bulig ang pageantry, ang judging stint, especially that it's our only source of income. Kagog isa, partida pa, gatag pa sa family.
Yes, miss. Makabulig na gamay. Nako, na din nakabulig. Miss, ang na-permit na lang kay mama. Every time, allow me, balang amsan, ginagmay na lang ang food, money, and lugan sa balay. Gamba ka nga gagmay pala na nakabulig compare sa nahatag mo sa akon. So,
Grabe, no?
No blessing is really ever too small.
yes, as in.
Yes, that's why ma-feel mo gid nga the genuineness bala to appreciate even the simple things because we know for sure nga not everybody could see that not until na-experience mo na, nabatsyagan mo na. And it's so ironic and surprising to see someone nga mo na gorgeous, glamorous, that they do not know what's the story behind this girl. Nga mo na galing iya nga again go through. You were working, selling, and then you're also doing brand ambassadorship, if I'm not mistaken. What was the kind of life of Sophia? And you started this high school ka pa lang?
Yes, I'm 16 years old.
16 years old. How young are you?
16!
For sure, you're taking a different path, Abi. Diba? So, in her case, she's doing this. Ano ang routine ni Sophia for a month? Could you vividly share to us about it?
So, sa una, sa grade 9 ko, I think, ga-play ko volleyball. And then, meron ko na mga manang sa graduating. So, gahamba ko na sila, nga manang, gusto niyo ako ma-make up sa inyo. Kaya bata pa lang kayo, miss. Gusto ko na make up. Gabaka ko na, ano mga piki-on? Parang na so na mga make up. Kasi pag 50 pesos. Naman na pero,
Correct.
sa una.
May lang wala masaya nagpalangatol.
Wala.
Kaluyan.
Yes, thankfully. Kaya ligid ka bayad, agid bayad, nila sa akin. Kung ano yung
Sa 50
gusto-
pesos,
Oo,
kahit sa
yes.
pang
Oo,
ano-ano
yes.
sa mga guya nila.
Oo, miss. Mga 500 pesos sa na-parsing na. Tapos dito ko na nahala daw medyo may future ko sa make-up. Pero dugin stop ko siya, miss. Because it takes a lot of time. with
Yes.
this. And amo na, may invest ka din dapat sa make-up. Because not, every customer may sensitive skin, wala
True.
as well. So, I'm not somehow grateful for that experience. And of course, being a brand ambassador, if you don't know, ang mga kalay, kalamis, ang mga
The brands.
yes, the brands, yes. So sometimes, kaya ko one time, miss, and of course, because very lucky, siguro, to the point, dito na naghilanat ko for 1 week, and wala ko pa school for 1 week. And amo na, naging cashier mo ko di miss. Yes, miss.
She was a cashier here at the Kasosyo Community Market. Proud cashier.
Yes, amo na doon ka, after mo school labi sa Thursday, pagka Friday, Saturday mo, obra ka naman. Tapos makita mo ibang mga friends, lagaw lang. Doon ka sometimes, doon ka mabal, kaya doon ka unfair sa life. But by the end of the day, proud ko niya hambal na ako yung determined sa akong own money. At ako na kaya ko ihatag man ang mga bagay. Kasi hindi ko maghatag sa ibang para sa akong sarili. And ang routine ko sa last, very couple, good siya, miss, tutuod nga hambal na like, kasi gahamba ko, so 20 na ko. Tapos lumalok ba ko, ang mga 16 subong, ang mga schoolmates ko, miss. Grabe, doon mga iPhone na, very advanced, kaya siguro, mas hapo sila. That is the truth naman siguro, no, mga privilege. Pero I don't, there's
You have
no
nothing
hate,
against them, of
I
course.
guess, miss. Pero if like masimo lang pala subong, miss, na grabe, song 16 ko, make-up ko, pang ano ko, pero subong may mga car na sila, which I think, which is good for them. I'm happy for them. Pero
Yes.
doka mga baka ang muna gali ang malabot ko sa phone. Ang muna gali ang mahambal ko sa ulihit in case na pamakoton ka sa tao nga, kamusta yung mo childhood, kamusta ka sa junior high school, baka ka-good life, pero nakaya ko. Ka-good life, pero grateful ko for every lessons na na-learn ko all throughout the journey. So, miss, hindi ko ganyan mahambal na I am regretful nga nakahuya ko kung ano na ubra ko kag na-experience ko sa 16 ko. Kasi grabe kasi miss kabulig mo sa akon in terms of learning, ganyan miss kag amo na mas siguro subong mas better na ko mag-deal sa mga things sa amo ni. Kasi dami kayo miss may na-learn yung miss ya. It also helped me grow and mature miss. For me, miss, there's nothing wrong about being ambitious as long wala ka na ginatapakan niya tao. As long you're doing the good things lang and right things, wala kami kakasakitan niya iba niya tao. And I think in life na, di ba, nakita ko yung quote na nahambal sila nga, maybe that's why doka hindi pa enough kung anong mayara ka subong. Kaya you're continuing on growing, di ba lang is how, do mas galaba, ay mas ganda ko ang imo perspective
Yes.
on everything. Kaya as we grow older, mas damo ta may gusto baklon, mas damo na ta responsibilities, obligations. Of course, ang students, kung gagawin problemahan, ang mga wants ko pa lang, ang mga make-up,
Kag mga needs mo.
pero sa nag-grow ko older, mas mga 17, 18, totito, pag yun mas na-realize, miss, the way ko mag-handle money, gali dapat, ma-earn ko para sa akong balot. Kaya, sometimes wala na extra sila mama or di papa ihatag sa akin. Tapos subong naman yung 20, doon na-realize ko naman miss ang sa balay, kamahal sa kuryente, kamahal sa renta sa balay, sa tubig, ang mga bills miss. So, feeling ko miss, wala dito miss malain for being ambitious. I also encourage everyone to always want more goodness in life. Na wala gina iya sa lahat.
Kung gina-deserve mo na yate.
Yes, miss. As in, keep on growing, nag-goodness. And just like what I stated earlier, nga as long nga wala akong nagkakasakitan ni tao, wala miss how. And you're doing the good thing, right things ang goodness, then it's okay being ambitious, goodness. And I think wala na daang maobra sa iba ng mga tao if that is the mindset.
That's how they think of it.
That is, it's not our obligation.
To explain ourselves
yes,
to
to
them.
explain ourselves. So, siguro let's just mind our own
Yeah.
life. And
Because Arya, labay lang story. I remember, Sofia, dugano, gawin dumasunggog, kaya sa subong niya, ako madunuma, kung di kayo wala, ko invite sa birthday, yaya. But, kidding aside, I remember, nga gabi giniyaya nga, marakit siya diri, ma-pageant siya diri, ako naman, dahil na ano ka, dahil may mga kabataan ka na ginasagod nga daw tanan-tanan na lang, brown mo. Ginahilanat na sa, tapos marakit, pagid sa, tapos kaagahon na, kung kisamang ba sa ngamis, papuli na ko, di kayalin. Miss nagbrand ambassador pa ko saan ko, na ano ka? Tapos, only to find out that she was actually saving up for her debut. So, dito ko naintindihan kung ano ang iya nga ginapangabudayan. And right there, I saw a different Sophia. I was able to realize nga there is nothing wrong with wanting for something for as long as you're working hard for it.
yes, miss.
Diba? Deadmas, mga bashers.
Yes, Dedma.
Deadma. And you were able to celebrate your debut.
Yes, miss.
Grabe.
Actually, ito nga, katulinan ni mama kay papa.
But syempre, it's
Yes,
the
nag-earn
expense, pilang minimum, subong mag-debut.
Very
O ikaw, madibo ka na tigidugay.
Ala, 2 years na
Hindi,
lang.
birthday ko was in Jollibee.
Ay!
Yes,
Oh, pila,
yes.
di ba? Pila, almost, nearly pila.
Mga almost. Siguro, kaya kung gusto ka gintudo, tipid ko.
Okay, baka DIY, diba?
Yes, miss. Alam, mga 100K. Ito ba lang, miss?
But 100K is 100K. My
Oo,
goodness.
Almost there, miss. Tapos, na, siguro, ang mga nagasto ko daw almost half na.
And then, how long did it take you to reach such amount?
Mga 3 months, miss. Kasi dadang, hindi ko yung racket, nga try. Kaya, sang last, lugahambal sila, mga hindi kaya financially. Pero ganun, bagay ko nga, akis ala ko maging 18.
Why did you want that debut so much?
Kasi hambali lang hindi gani kaya, pero mo. Because it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, lagi din miss nga, makadebu ka, miss. Kaisa ka lagi na maging debut all throughout your life, miss. Kaya for me, debut is like a special occasion for every girls. It's every girl's dream, gid miss, to have miss ka hindi siya grand ka debut, basta ari mo family, imo friends, maka-celebrate ka lang, makahambal sila, mga greetings sila sibo. So, pag debut na makaahay, pagwapa ko, maka-feel the feel ko man.
So, it was not the money after all. It was not about the grandeur after all.
Basta maka-celebrate lang.
Yeah. It was, man,
The experience.
the experience and collecting the people that you love.
Yes. Memories, yes, nga, looking back, naka-celebrate ko, dibo, nga, kagin, pangabudlayan ko dito for 3 months, 4 months, nga, racket, tapos mga brand ambassador.
Yes.
So, very proud din ko for 17 Sophia.
Grabe, no? Okay, let's get to your Miss Bacolod Mascara stint. By the way, she joined twice. Not just once, but twice. On your first stint, on the first year, I remember, siya ginigilisin siya sa ako. Miss, lolo tulat mas actually, nga i-tap ko sa balahaw. And then, nabal niya, Miss, pwede ko ka-join. And then I asked her, nga how, sabat mo ganit. Gusto ko lang. What I was expecting a little that time was an answer from a queen nga, gusto ko gid. I really want this so bad. And no offense, man. Ginaamba ko man ni siya and we have that kind of relationship. Nga parang kanay, kami nga dua, even to some of the queens here. So, from there, di ba, she didn't make it. Although nga, she was one of the top contenders. Bapa, Nami Pasarela, Gasabat. She didn't make it to the top 5. Could you explain to us, after that, backstage, she was just crying. Not a single word, just crying and sobbing.
Yes.
What was running in your mind? Hindi ko makastorya sa iya eh. What was running in your mind that time?
Siguro that time, immature pa ko, miss. I was immature that time because hindi ko gid babaton. Siguro kay galok forward ko nga maging top 5 ko. Pero at some point, baka feeling ko man, miss, na hindi gito ako tuig. Kasi diba, before ko na-join Miss Bacolod Mascara, napunggan ka ni Miss Jillian. Napunggan, sa 2024, napunggan niya ako. Habi lang na, join ka pa, pila ko till 17, 18, dira. Haba ko nga, kabata pa si Ruda, baka pangidilearn ko, Miss, kailan ko chance. Join na lang ko, Miss Bacolod. Wala siya choice. Itaman ko kambisyosa, gani.
Kay very pushy, gini sayang alaan niya.
Duka ako, wala ko labot. Pa-intra ako subong. So, nag-intra ako, Miss. Siguro, at overwhelming, balang Miss, kasi hindi na-consider ko front runner. So, syempre, ang confidence ko, nagtataas, okay, kaya ko to.
And then you got numerous awards.
Yes, Miss, during the corporate
Corporate.
day.
Mga how many awards? Were you the top ranking?
4 ko, Miss. If included, during the coronation, mga 5. If I'm not mistaken, mga 4 to 5, Miss. So, ako pag ito, Miss, ang nag-push sa ako na, oh my God, dako, chance ata. So, let's go. Tapos, pagka-coronation night, ako, okay, pero siguro sa ako, hindi ba lang nasisulog sa ako, tagi-pusuon. Ako, doka off. Doka lain sa feeling. And sa pag-announcement, sa isang top 5, Miss, wala ko nadala. Sure, Miss, napatgupo-gupo pa sa stage. Tapos, wala ko nadala sa top 5. Oh my God. Nung makry na ko, are na ding tears ako nga sulod sa kon eyes. Wala ako napunggan. Nag-cry kay kuya. Samtang art ako sa stage. Nakahuluya siya. Itong dumol.
Have you seen that video? I'm not sure. May air din sa video, di ba?
Oo, kasi super
Nga,
cry kay kuya.
stand. Tapos, tapos na to top 5 nilawag.
During pa to top 5. Tapos after to, nagdalagan ko kay
And you were crying. You were crying on stage.
Yes, kay cry, like ako cry. And to the point nga siguro, wala ko na na-acknowledge sila ni Miss Julian, sila Sir Jason. Gak-cry na lagi ko yung gak-cry. Tapos duli ako kaginawa nga, dumalipong na ko. Tapos ano na, I gave myself like 1 week para i-process ang tanan. Kasi hambal ko, hindi pwede nga muna ko ni everyday. Hindi pwede nga, hindi ko siya mabaton. So muna, with the help man sa akong friends and my family, and of course, ikaw, miss, gin-try mo ko pa-process, kagin pa i-chindi na hindi gito para sa akon ang Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024. If you guys are wondering, paano ko nag-decide nga mag-join Miss Bacolod Mascara 2025?
Before you decided, Anay, for sure, may mga reflection ka, di ba? May span of 1 week ka to, nga nag-muni-muni ka and everything.
Pabayin ako dahil.
And she was unreachable.
Oo.
Oo, she was unreachable. Time lang nga ma-reply siya, no SOCMED. Di ba, nag-deactivate ka?
Yeah, ay, wala, miss, doon mute ko.
Na-mute,
yes.
pero naka-messenger ka.
Yes, miss,
Okay.
shot pa kasi.
Is that a common thing right now at your generation?
Quite.
Why?
It's something like you don't want to talk to others when you're in that state. So I think most people want to give themselves time to process the shocking things that happen. Because honestly, if I were in your situation, I would have done the same thing. Yeah, even for someone like me, I would have done the same thing. If I were really that upset about it, I would have given myself time to process and just take a break from everyone, because I wouldn't recover that easily either. Like, I really wouldn't.
1 week. Okay. Sa imo to nga 1 gabi, so it's really more of a common thing gali in this generation. Kasi pisa mo niya nga time niya kung maganong, ang saga may bibi daw, bingit ka, di ba? Di ba? Sino ka relate? Ay, ang luha mo. Yan, gadi bibi, daw bingit ka daw, loser, kagid. Alam mo na yan sa mo niya time. Kasi kung mag-ibig ka daw, agwan taon mo, gadi nga, strong mo na yung bala, ang new year. Pero sa buong umayaga, nagkita nga, what do you call that? Social media detox.
Yes.
Social detox.
Mag-deactivate.
Okay, ma-deactivate, hindi ba pabatsyag-batsyag. Mamo lang ang mga moment, di ba? Sa ito sa mga moment kaya, no guy bibi, no guy hibi, isa mo da karon ka wangal-wangal karon na. Okay, from there, ano ang na-realize mo nga wrong thing maybe, na-reflect mo, if not wrong thing, ang i-improve mo pa kung maka-join ka liwat Miss Bacolod sang amo to nga time, 2024.
Di ba, miss, nagkambay kasi mo, hindi ako mag-join pa dyan. Mukhang mauntat ako pa dyan. Tapos hindi ako mag-beauty queen. Pero amo na, funny lang. Kasi, pag Miss Bacolod Mascara season, mo siya, miss mo ko kay Lord. Lord, ma-join ko liwat now. Pero mo, hindi ko, nakulbaan ko. Kasi, it's very risky, miss.
True.
Kasi nakulbaan ko siguro, miss, na ma-judge ka mga tao nga for being trying too hard ka ba lang, miss, nga you're too pushy about yourself. Muna. So, pwede ka mo. Tapos nakita ko mga poster ng Miss Bacolod Mascara. Habang, oh my God, sign na ni Lord. Mute ko Japon, mute ko miss ang account ko Miss Bacolod Mascara.
Pati ka kung gisas, ang sign na bala sala na, nugay ka muda.
Tapos miss, may message ako ng mga
Handler.
Hindi, mga organizer, wala miss ang Miss Bacolod Mascara.
Mga sinogin na, man.
Yan. Hello, good day, Sophia. We're inviting you to, screen for Miss Bacolod Mascara. Ako, no, dead ma. Mute ko man yung account, miss. Tapos, tapos sige, good Lord, if ma-join ko ulit Miss Bacolod Mascara, dapat may final callback. Diba, after miss ang, diba, ang screening day ko Miss Bacolod Mascara. Tapos, sabi ko, oh my God, wala final callback. Hindi ko mag-screen. Pero, miss, after a few days, miss, nag-final callback. So, wala, Lord. Amo na ni Lord. Pero gahamba ko, ginadagma ko Japanese. Kasi gahamba ko nga, hindi para sa ko na Miss Bacolod Mascara. It's not because second option ko Miss Bacolod Mascara, but miss, I was too scared wala, miss. Pero,
To fail again.
Yes, to fail again. If you remembered, miss, 3 days or 2 days before the final callback, ask mo ako, gusto mo mag-join? Nag-try, lagi ko, di ba, miss, wala na explanation, nag-ibig na lang ko. That's when I realized, okay, ma-join ko liwat. And pag-join ko, miss, ang na, dabo ko realization sa na-place ko. Siguro, ang na, miss, na everything takes time, ganyan, miss, tapos, hindi ka dapat na tungod gusto mo na dayon.
Yes.
Dapat you have to work for it. And, di ba, sometimes hambal mga tao nga, mature ka based on your age. But for me, miss, mature ka because of your experiences in life. Mature na pa siya. And that is when, miss, damo ito may na-learn, miss, ang na-unplace ko. That's why, sa pag-join ko liwat, damo, ito man po, na-join ka. Kasi ko, I want to win. Di ba, Miss Meredith, ba application form sa Miss Bacolod Mascara? Nag-ask sila nga, why do you want to join Miss Bacolod Mascara? Ang iba, di ba, I want to,
advocacy, ganun.
Ano pa gina nga, I want to make my parents proud.
Yes.
Buta ko, I want to win. Ang gina, I want to win. And then, submit ko lagi yung form niya.
Wala explanation?
Wala lang explanation.
Wala ka na naghambas ako, nabalot ako, uy, inay-naya lang, hindi magano. Kasi heartbreak na liwan.
And ko lagi, I want to win.
Amo tigo wala ako ging pabalo.
Forward. Yes, as
Forward.
Yes, sabak. And then amo na, tapos do ka lain we miss ang feeling last year compared to 2024. Pag, di ba, miss, every time mag-join ka pa dyan, ginahambal, bugida dapat madaog ko. But sa ko naman yung case, miss, hamba ko, kung madaog ko, happy ko. Pero kung ma-birthday ko, paano ko ni siya i-assess? Paano ko ni siya, how can I find the strength na i-accept na hindi pa rin ako na ang Miss Bacolod Mascara? So, pag join ko Miss Bacolod Mascara, gahamba ko, Lord, i-accept ko whatever the results is. Pero help me lang nga. Amo na, miss, ipakita ko sa mga tao, it's not because na gusto ko ang attention nila, but because to make them proud, bala, miss, nga, syempre, damo, good miss tawang nga may nakatanaw sa akong pageant journey. Kasi
Yes.
siguro, pag 2024, wala ko napakita ang Sophia.
Ang the collective experiences of Sophia
Yes,
from the barangayan pageants
barangay pageant.
up to that one of the biggest stages here in the city.
So, gahambagi ko si mo, miss, gusto ko i-perform lang gaya akong best. Gusto ko ipakita ang Sophia nga dapat ko napakita pag 2024. So, damo ko, miss, may miss, may na-learn. Diba during the corporate day, wala ko award. So, hamba ko.
Can you tell them what happened to the corporate day in the 2025 MBM stint? Amo gini ang pinaka naman nga mga unforgettable segment of that. Although,
Wala ko nagpati kay Miss Julia.
pero hindi man silingado. Santos, gikong ako nakakaalam ng
Hindi,
bukas at future mo.
Yes, miss. Kasi dapat, supposedly, mag-ponytail ko. Nagapa, hindi. Gusto kong big girls. Ang curls sa mga dosanto ninyo. Habla, hindi, ma-ponytail ka. Miss, hindi. Subong lang. Pamatii ako, hindi nahambal. Diba, hindi. Mga curl ko. Di ka mas, bala ka da. Inuwi lang ko niya ako, bala ka da. So, nag-go ko sa Santa Niña, just girl, wala ka may award. So, pag after, di ba, lumaw ko, kasambali na nga, wala ka award, diba? Habali, Miss Gilan, nanti, wala ikaw pa matik sa ako.
No, kaya ka it's just that,
it's for my own good, man yung miss ang advice.
Ano lang bihin, ang pageantry also has a strategy right now. And then, syempre, during that time, I kept on praying. I really was praying for you, so. And sa amo to nga time, na wala ka may nakuha ang award, I felt like I was stabbed. Kung inabalangga tulo ka sa bata mo, balangga kasakitan, I felt that. And nambal ko gusto ta kastoryahon, but I want to give that moment to you. For you to reflect, for you para mas mangisog ka.
Of course, miss, na-hurt ko. Kasi ba ko, oh my God, second time ko na. Tapos doon wala ko gakita ka mga sponsors. How much more pa ka judges. So at first, miss to ka, like the super cry.
Zero, di ba?
Yes,
Zero award.
Wala, again, zero during the corporate day. So, very na-hurt ko. Pero nagano ko, okay, mapati na ako kay Miss Julian nga advices. This time, hindi na to pwede matabo, di ba? Ang wala, miss. So, nag-aamba ko nga, pag-i-need ko yung private sa sarili, paano ko makita sa judges, pag-i-bobra ko to improve, to be better. And instead, wala miss nga nag-dwell ko sa fact na wala ko corporate award. Nag-focus ko nga, sige, paano ko makaperform pag-ibig during my coronation night. And amo to, siguro wala akong gigaan corporate award. Kasi ihatag ni Lord sa kong
Yes.
Amo gito thankful gid.
So in short, if we were to ask you with the controversial question, was there any pressure during your 2025 MBM stint? Is it a yes or a no?
Yes, miss. Grabe gid siya ka-overwhelming ka-pressure. Pero actually, miss, during the coronation night, very peaceful. I don't know why.
Na-feel mo?
Yes, miss.
For
na-feel-
you?
Oo. Especially during nagtakos ko sa gown. Bukahawak, oh my God.
Shout out to
Shout out to Sir Edwin Benitez. I love you so much.
Gold.
Yes.
The golden
The
girl. The
gold
golden
siya.
mariposa.
Yes, miss. Butterfly affection, miss. Pagkasuksok ko sa gown, miss, doka oh my God. Doka crown na lang ang kulang. Doka nami. Doka very clean.
Made
Very
for
Miss
the
Bacolod Mascara 2025. Pero ako, hindi ko gusto nga na lang. So, bako, okay, mas study, magpasarala pa more. And then on the day sa coronation night, I'm not super study ko. After ka swimsuit, after ka production number, di ba, miss, na-gown? After ka gown, miss, after ko gwa, amo na lagi ng pinaka-last time, yan, miss, nga makatuon ko, nga dara, na kay after that, if madala ka top 5,
Top 5 na dayan.
wala ka na yung miss time para maghabal, hala, top 5 ko.
Mhm.
Hala, nadala ko sa top 5.
Yes, diretso na Q&A.
Yes, diretso Q&A. And then, gamba ko sa mga ibang makeup artist ko sa Sir Larry. Sir, gain ko notebook, mas study ko. Pero pagkabasa ko ka notebook, miss, kita mo na, wala unod inuun. Nga do ka very peaceful. Nga do
Okay.
ka- yes,
Wala unod nga peaceful.
Yes,
Abi ko,
miss.
wala unod nga daw lost ka nga lutang ka.
Yes, miss. Do ka hamba ko, oh my God. Do ka kaya ko ni. So, nagamba ko, Sir Larry, hindi ko na need. Kaya ko na need. So, nagsalig na like sa akong sarili.
And I trusted you during that night.
Yes, miss. And then after ko nagsabat sa akong question, nagamba ko yung still yan. Gahibi naman ko just girl. Every time gahibi na lagi ko yung
Bingit.
good as in. Miss Jill, miss ka na no, resulta, happy na ko. Satisfied ako with my performance.
Yeah.
Grateful na ko to be part of the top 5.
Yes. Kaya ang iya lang niya being a goal that time was, Miss Biscan top 5 lang ko, okay na ko.
Yes.
Bako okay so far. And then even after sa iyang Q&A, bako you've done your best, you've done your part. Let's just leave it to the Lord. Kung ihatag yes mo, then be thankful. Kung hindi, still be thankful.
Pangamuyo, nalagi ko yung isang aral ako sa stage. Ako, Lord, second, first, Miss Bacolod, grateful ko. Mas can any crown will do. Sa top 5 ako, okay na ko din, Lord. Just ko, out of all the other candidates, very grabe
Nakasunod,
ako.
top 5.
Yes, grabe ako mga co-candidates, Miss, grabe sila, ang ila potential. Pag hindi sila balang Miss lang, ka, joke ka kontra.
Yes.
Kasi very backward sila.
True.
And I was one of the youngest na candidates,
Correct.
Miss. So I'm very grateful to compete alongside with them, Miss. And so na-crown ko, Miss Bacolod Mascara. Grateful gid ko. Abo to super cry ko, Miss. Kasi ako, hindi ko kapati. Hala, ako na si Miss Bacolod Mascara. Kasi Miss Bacolod. Ako, grateful gid them, Miss. So I ended my journey with a blessed and grateful heart with them, Miss.
One last question for our Miss Bacolod Mascara.
How do you feel about knowing that with everything you've experienced, you were able to reach your goal?
So,
Aside from grateful,
nag-learn ko with yung Miss, nga everything takes time. Good things takes time with yung Miss. And siguro, gambag siguro si Lord nga, amo to sa non-place ko, Miss. Gusto yung gid ipamuka sa ako nga, you should
Pamuka.
wait, yes, pulat lang dato ka, you should wait for your turn, gid ya, nga, you need to gain more experiences with yung Miss. Kasi during your Q&A, pwede mo gid siya yung mag-use yung experiences in life. Dumamba ka, wala nga lagyan, kutuman, pero ito man kuton ka, relevant, gali, ang
Yes.
agyan mo. Kasi, pwede mo man ma-inspire and motivate ang ibang na tao with your stories and lightness.
so right now, from after Miss Bacolod Mascara, who is Sophia in one word?
Sophia is contented. Contented siya.
From that very ambitious and restless and searching for that spotlight and for that moment, finally it has come to your head.
Yes.
It's already there. So what are you now looking forward to?
Siguro, miss, right now, wait lang po, miss, kung ano ihatag ni Lord. Damo may gambal sa pod. After buwin, miss, makolod, manok ka. Let's just wait for God's calling if ano man gid ihatag sa aton. Because if prior gina sa aton, ihatag gid sa aton. So, I'm patiently waiting lang gid yung miss. Yes, miss. No rush na. Especially 20 pa lang po.
Correct.
Haba ko damo pa ko years.
Correct.
Damo pa ko i-expect in life. So, I'm patiently waiting lang yun, miss. Pero silently, improve ko yung miss. Gusto ko pa mag-improve and to become better version of myself.
The grind never ends.
Yes.
So it is truly very heartwarming to listen to you speak of that. And I must say also, with all humility as a mentor of Sophia, I've seen your growth and I could feel how far you've come. Sa imo pa lang ang mindset subong, and I could not contain how proud I am of you. Kag for sure, damo, ugi kami ya. Even mga friends mo, queen sisters mo, very, very proud of you. Kag kanami nami, what's your key takeaway from Sophia's story?
Well, the most common one would probably good things take time. But another key takeaway is that you are a beautiful mixture and beautiful product of everything that you've undergone.
Yeah, you're right, no? Doon subong lang nagasink in sa kon. Nga, amo na, nga, she has to go through that so that she would become this. She would have a story to tell in the future. She can say that she's not just the Miss Bacolod Mascara because of her face. She's the Miss Bacolod Mascara because of who she is. As a person, as a woman. Wow. And may key takeaway naman kay Soph. Hambal mo bago lang?
She is
No, a bit prior to that, before that,
good things take time.
patience is a virtue.
That's it.
Because sometimes we're always in a hurry. Sometimes ginadali tagid ang tanan because like in the fast-paced world right now, everything is so automatic, it's so instant, but there's still beauty in waiting. And sometimes in that waiting, we get to realize more beautiful things. So savor that moment, get those experiences to be the best version of yourself.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, our reigning Miss Bacolod Mascara, Sophia KD Zaragoza. So,
You give me.
thank you for joining us. And we would like to give this lovely, as equally lovely as you, this bouquet from Criselda's Flower Shop.
Beautiful.
Once more, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Bacolod Mascara 2025, Sophia KB Zaragoza.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
This is Zia Jane Alex Saltado, 10 from the junior class, and I am a powerhouse. Today, we are going to talk about diet. Diet means daily inspirational empowerment tip. Today, our diet is go big or go home. There is no such thing as maybe, only commitment and boldness. I agree with this quote. It's because I believe that go big or go home. If you want to do this, you give it your all. If you're not gonna give it your all, go home. You may or may not lose. There's no such thing as maybe, because you shouldn't be unsure of what you're gonna do. Because maybe means you're unsure. Maybe means yes and no. Well, that doesn't really make sense. So I believe maybe isn't such a thing. You should be sure. If you wanna do it, do it. If you don't wanna do it, then don't do it. Only commitment and boldness. All you need to do is commit and be bold. Commit and be brave. And commitment is if you really wanna do it, do it. It's the same as the other thing. You should be sure on what you're gonna do. And be bold. Be brave on what you're gonna do. Be confident. And you should know what you're gonna do and go big or go home. Once again, this is Zia Jane Alex Saltado from the junior class, and I am a powerhouse. Don't forget, go big or go home. Once again, this is Zia Jane Alex Saltado from the junior class, and I am a powerhouse. Don't forget, do the diet.
Thank you so much, Zia, for giving us that beautiful reminder. Indeed, that's another naman nga madala naton sa incoming week naton kay para mapadayon tagid yang aton nga mga responsibilities, syempre, and also as a person man para mas ma-inspire pag kita kag ma-empower. So our dear viewers, grabe, it has been another hour of talking with you, of sharing with you inspiration. Salamat gid sa inyo nga pagupod sa amon, di ba? Angel?
Yes, thank you so much everyone for joining us today. And these women carried such beautiful, heartfelt, and empowering messages, right, Miss Jillian?
Yes. Di ba, Kagina, what can you say about our conversation with your manang Sofia?
Sometimes, good things really do take time.
May consistent gid siya siya.
Of course. Because patience is a virtue, like you said, Miss. But Manang Sofia is a really strong woman because of everything that she's gone through. She is who she is today. And she's not just a queen, she's not just a student, she is her own person. And I think her story can really inspire us because, you know, there's a lot of people these days going through what she went through. Well, not that many people naman, but a good majority or a good percent because, well, you really have to endure all the hardships, trials, and tribulations before being contented with your life.
Yeah. I would agree to that. That before you could finally get there, damo, gitay alagyan, ng mga alagyan naton. Maliko ka sa wala, maliko ka sa too. Pero importante, kabalo ka, madiritso ka, gitya pa kadto sa punta because that is our destination, that is our goal. So thank you for sharing your beautiful story, our Miss Bacolod Mascara, Sofia K. Zaragoza.
Oh, wait, Miss Juliana, let's not forget to thank our sponsors.
Yes, of course, because without our sponsors, another episode will never be possible. So thank you so much. We have...
Kasosyo Community Market.
Thank you also, Griselda's Flower Shop, for the lovely bouquet that we gave to our Miss Bacolod Mascara. Thank you, Tita Dang.
Thank you also Kinos Cafe and Kitchen.
Yes, for our coffee, buhay na buhay kami today. Palakpakan for Kinos and of course, our sumptuous. Look at that. Look at that. Their one and only Pafiani. Thank you, Kinos. Thank you, Miss Anne. We're surely going to have a sweeter afternoon because of Kinos.
And Ilaya Highland Resorts, thank you so much.
Correct, yeah. Take your time to rest and rejuvenate. Rejuvenate at Ilaya. Well, of course, we'd also not want to miss thanking Powerhouse School of Talents. Thank you so much. And also we have DA Builders. Let's not forget about that. So again, to our dear sponsors, thank you so much. We thank you, our dear partners, of course. So, sa aton yung mga viewers, it has been another meaningful episode nga nakaspend kami sa inyo. Salamat gid sa inyo nga paggupod, salamat gid sa inyo nga pagtutok, pagbantay gid every Sunday. Magkita na naman tuluwat next Sunday, ha? Don't miss that. It's always a date. That's gonna be at 11 a.m. every Sunday. And also, don't forget to follow our Facebook page, The Heart of the Powerhouse. We're also visible on our YouTube channel and soon on Spotify. And before we cap this off, please, I don't want to miss thanking them, our amazing Powerhouse. Thank you so much from the junior class, Zia! And of course, this promising speaker right over here and a leader herself, we have Mina Marie Leonoras. Min, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me, Miss Jillian. It was such a pleasure to be with you today.
Thank you. So it has been one beautiful episode, one beautiful talk show and podcast shared with you this Sunday. So this is where talk meets transformation and conversations make a change. This is the Heart of the Powerhouse.